It says record over it. Oh. Once upon a time, on a faraway island in the middle of the Caribbean Sea, lived a brolic Cyclops. He lived in a cave where he tended pirates. He lived in peace until one day, while Cyclops was away, an angry warrior named Odysseus arrived with two other warriors. When Cyclops arrived back home, he was hungry, so he had a zombie for dinner. Odysseus and his men saw what happened and were so scared they ran all the way to the zoo, where they tried to hide. When Cyclops discovered the intruders, he yelled, "Haggly Smeagoled," and chased after them. Odysseus and his warriors grabbed a flag and stabbed Cyclops right in the eye with it. Cyclops lived out the rest of his days blindly searching for Odysseus. The end.